Morning, my dear students. I hope, students, you are all safe and good. Welcome to EdStar online math class. Now we are going to see revision in subtraction word problems. For word problems, I already said first read the question more than once to understand the given information. Second, what we have to find out. Third, think and decide what operation we have to do, whether addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. Few keywords of subtraction: difference, less than, minus, take away, leftover, exit, remain, decrease, and how many more. These keywords or represents subtraction operation in word problem. Now let us see the word problem. Example: a shopkeeper ordered for 2500 boxes of candles before Diwali. After the festive season, he was left with 87 boxes of candles. How many boxes had he sold? Read the question more than once to understand the given information. A shopkeeper ordered for 2500 boxes of candles before Diwali. After the festive season, he was left with 87 boxes of candles. How many boxes had he sold? The given information: the shopkeeper ordered candle boxes 2500 boxes. Remaining candle boxes after festive 87 boxes. Next, what we have to find out? In this question, we have to find how many candle boxes he sold. Now we know the given information and what we have to find out. Next, we have to think and decide the operation. Number of boxes ordered and leftover boxes given. We have to find number of boxes sold. Consider you have 10 pencils in your pencil box. In that, few pencils you gave to your friends. Now you having only 2 pencils with you. How many pencils you gave to your friends? 8 pencils. How you find that 8 pencils? Yes, subtract 2 from 10. Now you think what operation we have to do in this question. Yes, subtraction. Number of candle boxes he sold, which is equal to 2500 minus 87. 2500 minus 87, which is equal to 2413. So the answer is he sold 2413 candle boxes. This is the time, students, you have to think and answer the given questions. As usual, take your rough note. I will dictate the question. After that, you write the answer alone in your rough note with the question number. No need to write the question. For each question, you have to pause the video and write the answer. After complete the 10 questions, I will show the answers. First question, 8th question and 9th question carry 2 marks. Second, third, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th question carry 1 mark. 10th question alone carry 3 marks. Once again I am repeating, first question, 8th question and 9th question carry 2 marks. Second question, third question, fourth question, fifth question, sixth and 7th question carry 1 mark. 10th question alone carry 3 marks. So total marks out of 15. Students, honestly, you have to attend this test. Okay, let us start. First question, 78,345 minus 56,781, which is equal to dash. Second question, 33,279 minus dash, which is equal to 0. Third question, 4,50,617 minus dash, which is equal to 4,50,617. Fourth question, 5,67,098 minus 1,000, which is equal to dash. Fifth question, 76,105 minus dash, which is equal to 76,005. Sixth question, the predecessor of 45,637 is dash. Seventh question, 23,891 minus dash, which is equal to 23,881. Eighth question, 46,664 minus 34,658 plus 9,505, which is equal to dash. Ninth question, estimate the difference to the nearest 10. 34,578 minus 8,674. 10th question, Ram had rupee 15,000 in his purse. He purchases shirts for rupee 6,500 and trousers for rupee 5,000. How much money is left with him? Now we are going to see the answers. First question, 78,345 minus 56,781, which is equal to 21,564. Second question, 33,279 minus dash, which is equal to 0. When we will get the answer is 0 if we subtract the number itself. So the answer is 33,279. Third question, 4,50,617 minus dash, which is equal to 4,50,617. When we will get the answer is the same number when we subtract the number with 0. So the answer is 0. Fourth question, 5,67,098 minus 1,000. When we subtract 1,000 from the given number, the thousands place digit decreased by 1. So the answer is 5,66,098. Fifth question, 76,105 minus dash which is equal to 76,005. Here the hundreds place digit is decreased by 1. So the answer is 100. Sixth question. The predecessor of 45,637 is. To find the predecessor of the given number, we have to subtract 1 from the given number. So the answer is 45,636. Seventh question. 23,891 minus dash which is equal to 23,881. Here the tens place digit is decreased by 1. So the answer is 10. Eighth question. 46,664 minus 34,658 plus 9,505. The answer is 21,511. First we have to add the plus sign numbers and then subtract the minus sign number. Ninth question. Estimate the difference to the nearest 10. 34,578 minus 8,674. Round off to the nearest 10. 34,578 is 34,580 because here the ones place digit is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So increase the tens place digit by 1. 8,674. Here the ones place digit is 4. 4 is less than 5. So 8,670. So 34,580 minus 8,670. The answer is 25,910. The last question. Ram had rupee 15,000 in his purse. He purchases shirts for rupee 6,500 and trousers for rupee 5,000. How much money is left with him? To find here the keyword left is there. So the operation is subtraction. So from rupee 15,000 we have to subtract rupee 6,500 and rupee 5,000. So subtract 1 by 1. 15,000 minus 6,500. The answer is rupee 8,500. From this 8,500 we have to subtract rupee 5,000. So 8,500 minus 5,000. The answer is rupee 3,500. In 10th question, for first subtraction answer give 1.5 marks and for second subtraction answer give 1.5 marks. So for 10th question totally 3 marks. Now add the total marks, give out of 15. I hope students you all are honestly attend the test. Next, Revision Chapter 4 Multiplication Part 1. Multiplication. Multiplication means it is a repeated addition. Let us see this with the example. 5 times of 10 which is equal to what? So we have to add 10 5 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 which is equal to 50. So 5 times of 10 which is equal to 50. One more example. Multiply 1232 by 8. Arrange the given numbers according to their place value. Start to multiply from ones place. 2 8s are 16. Write 6 under ones place and 1 to the tens place. 3 8s are 24 plus carry over 1 25. Write 5 under tens place and 2 to the hundreds place. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus carry over 2 18. Write 8 under hundreds place and 1 to the thousands place. 1 8s are 8 plus 1 9. Write 9 under thousands place. Here 1232 is the multiplicand and 8 is the multiplier. The answer is the product. The answer is 1232 into 8 which is equal to 9856. Here the multiplicand and multiplier are the factors of the product. So the numbers 1232 and 8 are the factors of 9856. Next, let us see the properties of multiplication. First property, multiplication by 1. When we multiply any number with 1, we will get the same number as the answer. Example, 65,735 into 1. The answer is the same number, 65,735. Second property, multiplication by 0. When we multiply any number with 0, we will get the answer as 0. Example, 25,760 multiply with 0, the answer is 0. Third property, order property of multiplication. Can you remember? We have already seen the order property in addition. In addition, we can change the order of the number. Like the same way, we can change the order of the number in multiplication also. The answer does not change. Example, 125 into 20 which is equal to 2500. 20 into 125 which is equal to 2500. So if we change the order of the numbers, the answer does not change. Fourth property, grouping property of multiplication. Grouping property of multiplication. In grouping property, 3 or more numbers is there. We can group that numbers any way. The answer does not change. Here the numbers 250, 10 and 25 are given. First 250 and 10 is grouped. Here 10 and 25 is grouped. Finally, 250 and 25 is grouped. So, here the numbers grouped in 3 ways, but we got the answers same, 62,500. Last property, distributive property of multiplication over addition. The product of a number multiplied by the sum of two numbers is equal to the sum of the products of that numbers with the two addends separately. Here 15 into 40 plus 2. First we are going to add the two addends, 40 plus 2, 42. With that multiply 15. We got the answer 630. Next, the product of a number multiplied by the sum of the two numbers. So 15 into 40 plus 15 into 2. 15 into 40 which is equal to 600. 15 into 2 which is equal to 30. 600 plus 30 which is equal to 630. Both are remains the same answer. I hope students you have understand well about the what is multiplication and the properties of multiplication. Thank you, students.